Hi, this is Shahrir Kabir from Klinkode. Today I will show you how you can set or restrict a product or any pages if you like to the logged in users only. It means if your customers don't log in, then they will not see a particular products or a particular page if you like. So to do that, we will use the product tag field. So maybe we will create a restricted labeled tag field. If you add that tag field to any particular products, then that products will not be visible to the non-logged visitors of your website. So let's uh, do it. So first, go to your admin page of your store, and we'll add edit code. And to do this, we'll follow a blog tutorial from our website, which links I will add in the description section below, so you can easily get the code from the blog post. So this is the blog tutorial. Now, okay, buy buttons liquid, which is under snippets folder. Okay, let's go to the code snippets and let's find the buy buttons. Yeah, this one. Open home, then okay, this one is the restricted tag code logic. Just copy it and paste it maybe here. Format, we'll try to hide the buy buttons, actually the add to cart button. Let's go back to and see a product, for example maybe this one, and here you see the add to cart button, right? So now okay, copy this, then we added our code here, so paste here, format, and basically here we will paste this product from code. This holds the form buttons, the add to cart, or if you enable the quick button. So we will copy here from here, cut it. The section actually holds all your extra buttons, usually the buy now button and that to cart button. We'll try to hide those buttons so people will not be able to buy those products if they are not logged in. We can paste our code here, and maybe format. It's a good practice to do the formatting, and I think we are good. And we need to create a restricted tag. Let's do that later. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah, still we are seeing those buttons, right? But if we go back and go to the products, and we'll try the restricted tag for this product actually. So not needed, restricted. Okay, add restricted, and now refresh. Yeah, now you see, you cannot see those buttons anymore. But if we go back to another products, maybe this one, you see the buttons fine. Okay, so this is how you can hide your buy buttons or add to cart buttons. Basically this same logic can be applied all of this content. If you would like to hide the full content of a product, or if you would like to apply this logic in not only the products but also for the normal pages, you can do that, or collection pages, you can do that. You just need to edit the different liquid file. So yeah, this is it. And as a request, please join our free Shopify support group. Usually we solve all of the post within 12 hours. We try our best to give the correct and updated solution to all the store owners. Thank you.